Hey guys, and welcome back to another new video. And in this video today I will be unboxing this 1:24 scale diecast model of the Lamborghini Huracan. So let's get started with the video. And this is the model itself, and it was really hard to find, so I will not be able to provide the purchase link in the description, so sorry for that. So if you are enjoying this video, do like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And let's continue with the cinematic video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.